A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Radu here. I just want to quickly do this video to show you how to register your domain name. And I recently wrote an article on how to select the right domain name for your business. So if you have gone through that, I'm sure by now you already have the name you want to register. So this is just to show you exactly how to do it. So I just thought it's better to show you how it's done rather than write about it. What you want to do is come to one of these websites that does domain name registration. There are a lot of them, lots and lots of them. But I think I've used just about 3. And at the end of the day, I just decided to settle for one. So I have all my domains in one place. And this is Godaddy. Below this video, you see a link to Godaddy. Just click on it and it takes you there. Or you could just go to Google and type in Godaddy and it brings you to the website. So the first thing you want to do is create an account. So you click on here and you click on create an account. Create my account. And it gives you 2 options to do that. You could either create your account using Facebook, so you just continue with Facebook, or you create an account using putting in your email address, username, a password, and there's something here called the support pin. This is a 4 digits that you need to, random 4 digits you just need to put in here. It's useful when you call into customer support and they normally ask for that. I think it's for security. So that's that. But I created an account. I have my own account that I'm using, but for the purpose of this video, I created a new account. And I'm just going to sign into that account and we'll take it from there. So, and it's loading. Done. So now, this is, say we're working. It's a new account. I just created it for the purpose of this video. So, what you want to do is go to the home page. By the way, before I do that, let me quickly show you. Here is your customer number. It's going to show in here. So you can either, when you're logging in, you can log in using that, or you use your email that you used to create the account. So you want to search for a domain. You can either do it here, or you just go to the home page and you type in whatever domain you want to register. So let's say you came up with a domain name of let's say, talk about ladiesredshoes.com. You don't have to put the extension, it will do that by default. So you just click it and voila, ladiesredshoes.com. It says yes, your domain is available. Buy it before somebody else does. So let's say this has been taken by someone else. It's going to tell me it's not available to buy, and I'll have to change. That's why I talked about you having about 2 or 3. So about 3 to 5 of them in a descending order. So at the end of the day, if the first one doesn't go through, the second one, the third one, before you run through your list of 5, you get the one that'll work for you, rather than you just trying to type in random names and at the end of the day you just find out it's not really what you want. If you take your time to come up with the names, and once you come here and you type them in and it says it's not available, you have another one that you've already really researched into, and then by the time you're done, I'm sure you'll come up with a good name. So here we have, it says the normal price is $10.99, but for the purpose of if you're buying for 2 years or more, your first year will be 99p, and then additional years will be $10.99. So what that means is that, what it's trying to tell you is that you can actually register your domain for, normally you register it for a year, but you can do it for more than a year. You can do 2, 3, 5, and 10 years. So if you're doing 2 years, the first year will be $9.99. The first year will be 99p, and the following year will be 10. But if you're just registering for a year, you're going to pay $10.99. So don't think if you register for 1 year you're going to get it for $9.99. And I advise you to do more than 2 years, because no more than a year, because that way it shows that you're serious, you really want to do something. Kind of shows commitment. So that also can help with your SEO. So there you are. If the domain is available, and it's giving you an option of because I'm here in the UK, it gives me the option of buying the .co.uk at 1p, and if I register it for 2 years or more, the first year will be 1p, and the additional will be $7.99. But I don't want to do that, and it also given me the .net, the .org, and .info. So bottom line is, all you're interested in is this one that you have chosen. Every other thing you see here, ignore, and just click on this, click on select. When you're done, the next thing you want to click is continue to cart. So it brings you to this browser here where it shows you additional services. The first one is make it private. Sometimes I do subscribe to this, sometimes I don't. It depends on the website. This is for privacy protection, $3.99 per domain per year. This is for privacy and business protection. It's $10.99 per domain per year. It's quite cheap. Helps. What it does is it protects your name, email, just helps hide your personal information. So when somebody goes to the public who is directly, you're not able to find your name, email address, and all that. So you'll be safe from all these marketing phone calls and what have you. Anyhow, so again, it's up to you if you want to get protection for your website, or you could just let it be. Another feature here is the site builder, the website builder. I don't bother about this because I build my website myself, and then you have the Linux web hosting. I do my hosting elsewhere. And then finally, you get an email address that matches your domain, which is $2.99 per month, as low as that. Again, I ignore this. The reason being that the web hosting I use makes it possible for me to build as many emails onto my domain name as I want. So again, I'll just click on to ignore that, all that, and click on continue to cart. Then here you are. Okay, sorry. That was the first one, red baby shoes. The first one I tried on when I created the account. So I just removed that one, and now we have ladiesredshoes.com, and it's saying it's for 2 years plus the estimated tax and fees. It's $12.20. If you want to do 5 years, $4.50. So what else do you have down there? You have Microsoft Office if you want to. It says I think it gives you the first month for free. Anyway, if you I don't know, I don't do any of these. I just go straight to checkout. So now it wants you to fill in your billing information, your name, last name, first name, last name, email address, your country where you are, the address, city and all that, your company's name, just, and then your card details. It's going to take payment, so it needs your card details, or you can put in your PayPal. If you want to pay by PayPal, it asks for your PayPal information, and once you're done doing that, you just click on continue. Okay, it wants me to fill in that. I'm not going to do that because I do not plan to buy this domain name. Just wanted to show you what it's done. So you just fill out the information. Once that is done, you click on continue, place your order. It confirms that you want to pay for it, and it takes you to the thank you page, and that is all. You've got your domain registered, and inshallah the next thing I will be talking to you about is how to actually host your domain, because having a domain registered is just that is it. If you don't host it, it's not going to come up anywhere. So you need a space to host your domain. So I'll show you how that is done. I hope this was you found value in this. You take care. Bye.